Hi there, my name's Kirk and I am really pleased to be working with Collision Drumsticks. I currently am using the 5A, but I am really into these 5ARs. They're so responsive, you get that little extra bit of reach, but also I'm a sucker for a cool design, and I like the little arrow on the edge. I've been playing drums for coming on 20 years. My current band, The Institutes, are working on their second album at Vader Studios with Matt Terry, and we're touring all up and down the UK, so to have a really reliable set of drumsticks is absolutely imperative. I love the support that I've already received from Collision, and I'm really happy to continue this relationship. Next up, I'm going to do a little run through of our next single, The Institute's next single, which is out on the 25th of April. It's called The Mountain Song. So thanks.